Welcome to East Coast Honda. Today we're taking a look at a 2022 Honda Accord in the Sport SE trim level. Now this one is in the Sonic Gray Pearl, and the sun is not shining right now, so it's hard to pick up on how nice this color is. It's one of those things you have to see it in person. Check out these full LED reflector headlight system this vehicle has. Very impressive. It looks impressive and very functional at nighttime. You can see the road nicely. This vehicle has 19-inch alloy wheels with a gloss black finish. There's the profile view of them. Really impressive looking wheels. Go good with the vehicle style. The Sport Special Edition has the dual exhaust tips back here. Looking really nice. There's also the backup camera there in the center and a gloss black deck lid spoiler. Now the trunk area, really nice. Wide open space back here. Seats fold down to a 60-40 split, so you can add to your cargo space while still maintaining passenger space. There is bag holder here, as well as that side. Under the floor is the spare tire and tools. Check out this interior. Has the black interior, really nice. With stitching. Just the overall style looks good. Now there's an armrest that folds down. Plenty of leg room back here. There's USB charge ports, little storage compartment there as well. The Accord is one of those type of vehicles that is very functional, but also very stylish as well, I think. So here's the interior with that black seats are really looking nice. It's got the power seat here in the front, driver's side, and overall very functional and intuitive features here. So all the buttons are backlit with the white lettering, the black background, so it's easy to see, easy to use. Has a partial digital display here as well. Touch screen, climate control, little storage compartment there, cup holders, and the center armrest also has a compartment there as well. Here's the inside of that compartment, and here is the inside of the armrest compartment. Now there's so many things to say about this vehicle. It's hard to go over in a short video like this. So if you like what you see, check out East Coast Honda, Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. There will be a link. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.